My favorite रूप of being a माँ is मेरा वो डांटने वाला रूप नहीं है, मैं बता दूँ, मेरा वो डांटने वाला रूप नहीं है, मतलब है, लेकिन मेरा सबसे फेवरेट नहीं है। मैंने बच्चों को इसलिए पैदा किया है ताकि they can give me also all this unconditional love in return. रिश्वत तो भरनी पड़ेगी। Nissa looked at me and she was like, you know, mom, just relax. I know what I'm doing and I'll eat when I'm hungry. And I looked at her and I realized, yes, boarding school गई है, लंदन गई है, अभी तक तो जिंदा है। So I really need to calm down on it. मुझे सिर्फ खाना था तो कड़क भिंडी खानी थी बचपन में, या मलाई भात and salt. That was my favorite. And fried बैंगन. I was not the burger and french fries person. I was not. मुझे तो भिंडी रोटी खानी है. मम्मी मुझे भिंडी रोटी खानी है. Throw fit मुझे बैंगन चाहिए. बैंगन दे दो.
Did you ever lose faith in God?
I did. It's not that why did you choose me for this to happen to? No. It was why did this have to happen? इतने भरोसे के बाद इस दिन पे क्यों तोड़ा मुझे?
Do you think kids often get burdened by the legacy of their parents? Were you at one point?
No. I saw my mother working the worst shifts. I saw her working from 7 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the morning and then come back home, have a bath, go to sleep and then wake up at 6:37 and leave again for work. My mom and me have had these conversations about death, and the one thing that even she told me when my father passed away was he's gone to a place to take care of you better.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so he probably felt right now that he could not take care of you anymore and he's worried about you. I think the surprises came when my children could do that to me without saying too much. एक लाइन से या एक लुक से समझा दिया कि नहीं तू गलत थी. वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी मेरे लिए. सडनली मुझे झटका लगा.
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhala. You're tuned to Bollywood Bubble. और आज के गेस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए या तो मुझे अंजलि वाली कभी खुशी कभी गम वाली मदद चाहिए या हेलीकॉप्टर रीला वाली मदद चाहिए क्योंकि यू
इतनी चॉइस है आपके पास.
बहुत सारी seven times I think you have played mother on screen by now.
No, I was just wondering about that only. Somebody else
all
asked
shades.
me. सब किसी ने मुझे पूछा था actually कि तो मतलब माँ के कितने रूप हैं. आपने तो सब पोर्ट्रे कर लिए.
So Kajal is going to tell me today exactly कितने रूप हैं. But what is your favorite रूप of being a माँ?
My favorite रूप of being a माँ is मेरा वो डांटने वाला रूप नहीं है. मैं बता दूँ, मेरा वो डांटने वाला रूप नहीं है. मतलब है, लेकिन मेरा सबसे फेवरेट नहीं है.
सबसे फेवरेट क्या है?
सबसे ज्यादा यूज होने वाला रूप वो है, लेकिन आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट वो है जो आई थिंक मेरे बच्चे जब छोटे थे एंड व्हेन आई कुड जस्ट squash them and I could cuddle them as much as I wanted and they loved it. I mean, there was no argument about it. You know, they wanted or do, you know, or mama give me a huggy, mama kiss me or come and catch me on my feet or something. Yeah, that was the best time of you know, motherhood.
वो let go करना भी मुश्किल होगा because when we grow up we are like
But I've convinced my children that it is, I've produced them for that very reason. मैंने बच्चों को इसलिए पैदा किया है ताकि they can give me also all this unconditional love in return. I am not a comfortable mother to have if you do not pay me like this. रिश्वत तो भरनी पड़ेगी.
ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. My mother's love language is सिर्फ silently वो देखती हैं. And she's like, अगर तुम मेरी आंखों से नहीं समझ सकते ना that you have to shut up now so you leave the room. So we always, whenever we are at a gathering now, if my mother just, I'm like, oh God, घर जाके आज बहुत पढ़ेगी, कुछ तो किया है.
Basically.
So you're also one is
all mothers have that. We have that one superpower and then that perfect line, na? Why, mom? Why? Because I said so.
But Kajal, has there been a journey in your parenting where you have surprised yourself? Like you thought that maybe, because nobody comes learning any of these roles. We learn it on the way.
Absolutely. Lots of times. I think the fact that, I think my patience surprised me. The fact that I could be patient surprised me. That surprised me a lot. The fact that I am a very opinionated person. And to change my opinions, you would need to, you know, really debate with me and convince me that what you're saying and what you're thinking is right. I think the surprises came when my children could do that to me without saying too much. एक लाइन से या एक लुक से समझा दिया कि नहीं तू गलत थी. और वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी मेरे लिए. सडनली मुझे झटका लगा. And you know, I turned around and you know, I realized that those parts of me surprised me. That I could learn from just that. that surprised me. That part of me surprised me. Yeah. I'm used to her now. I'm used to that part now. But that part that turned around and learnt from my children, that part of it, and in small, small ways. I don't believe I'm arrogant when I say that I'm a good mother. But yes, to be a better person sometimes, I have become a better person because my children have taught me to be better.
You recall any such incident where they actually took you by surprise? Because my mother says that it was around when you were 8 or 9 and you said something to me and I turned around and I'm like, बच्चे बड़े हो गए. So do you remember any such incident where you actually said like, okay, the kids are now finally like...
Lots of times. There have been so many instances where I've, sometimes I look at Nisa, especially खाने में होता है. Especially मैं बता दूं, खाने के टेबल पे मतलब जो लड़ाई झगड़े हुए हैं ना मेरे और मेरे बच्चों के साथ, मतलब वो तो मतलब every mother will understand my trauma.
This interview is not going to go well with my mother.
माँ को मत दिखाना.
I have a big fear. भाई जैसे being a Punjabi चप्पल आएगी.
हाँ बिल्कुल. तो खाने के टेबल पे तो इतने मतलब, but at one point I realized that she looked at me and Nisa looked at me and she was like, Mom, just relax. I know what I'm doing and I'll eat when I'm hungry. And I looked at her and I realized, yes, she will eat when she's hungry. She's been living in मतलब boarding school गई है, London गई है, अभी तक तो जिंदा है और हंसती खेलती है, तो मतलब सही कुछ किया होगा उसने. She must be eating when she's hungry and whatever. So I really need to calm down on it, and as an adult she will have to learn.
Yes.
सीखना तो पड़ेगा उसको ना कहीं ना कहीं. तो yeah, so that's on that. खाने के टेबल पे तो बहुत कुछ सीखा है, मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है.
You're a fussy eater?
I am not now, but I was when I was a child, and I remember my mother, going mad. मुझे सिर्फ खाना था तो कड़क भिंडी खानी थी बचपन में, या मलाई राइस, मलाई भात and salt. That was my favorite. Either कड़क भिंडी रोटी or malai bhat and salt. That was it. Those two things, and fried बैंगन. So I mean, yeah, how many houses make that? कितने घरों में ये खाना बनता है और कहाँ से मंगा के दोगे अपने बच्चे को? मतलब traveling with me was a mess. I was not the burger and French fries person.
Can't be.
I was not. मुझे तो भिंडी रोटी खानी है. मम्मी मुझे भिंडी रोटी खानी है. Throw fit, मुझे बैंगन चाहिए. बैंगन दे दो. So yeah, at least my children didn't subject me to that. But yes, I've had fights.
That's a very good lesson though. Your mother's legacy, I don't think I will ever say that you can compare it to her.
No, I can't.
That's a redundant question to say. But do you often feel like you have made it clear that Nisa is not keen to be in films, but you, I think, looks very interested and very enthusiastic to be part, like at the Karate Kid event. It was this one child with all those stars in his eyes that you could sense that maybe one day he will. Do you think kids often get burdened by the legacy of their parents? Were you at one point?
No. I was on the opposite spectrum of that. I was like, I will never work like you. I used to tell my mother, because I was definitely clear about it, that I saw my mother working the worst shifts. I saw her working from 7 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the morning, and then come back home, have a bath, go to sleep, and then wake up at 6:37 and leave again for work. So that's the life that she led when she was working. And then there were periods of time when she wasn't working at all. So it was such a disbalanced time. And, and I remember my mom struggling through it. And I remember us as children watching her, because she didn't want to leave us either. And she didn't want to, go away for months and months. Yeah, no mother really wants to, do that. And then there comes the mom guilt again. So, but she did it. And so I used to tell her, I was like, I will never be working like you. First of all, you don't make me enough money. Let me be honest. And secondly, your working hours are terrible. I want to do this 9 to 6 job that I get. और महीने के end में मुझे paycheck मिलता है. At least मुझे पता है कि अगले 6 महीने के लिए मुझे कोई tension नहीं है. मुझे paycheck तो मिलेगा. तो वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई और फिर मैंने अपनी पहली पिक्चर कर ली. और फिर उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि why am I waiting for the paycheck? My paycheck will happen. It will work out. And I didn't worry about the paycheck after that.
And I think that was the principle you've always led by, because in all the years I have followed your career, you've always said that you don't regret leaving films, you don't regret being at a certain stage at a certain point in career because your priorities were very clear for you. You wanted a life on your own terms, be it home, be it travel, be it your love for food,
Absolutely.
and you have never
As we
backed
can
down
see.
from. यार ये तो अलग ही हो गया. But how empowering it is to make your own choices, because I think anyone who can learn one thing from your journey would be we take a lot of time to build a self confidence. The girls, the younger girls, there's so many doubts. हम कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते. What this will say, that will say. You started so young. How empowering it was for you to, as you said, make your own choices. Be very clear. My work hours, my paycheck.
I think I have my mother to thank for that because she always supported me in my choices. From the time that I was 13, I remember making me sit down and say that, beta, abhi now you're 13 years old and I have taught you and I have mothered you till you were 12 and I have made decisions for you till you were 12. Now it's time for you to start learning what decision making involves. And decision making involves the fact that you have to start taking responsibility for your own decisions. Every decision that you make, credit and discredit belongs to you. So from today, whatever, अगर आपको थप्पड़ भी पड़ना है बाद में, मैं I want to tell you कि I was only 13, तो थप्पड़ पड़ने वो बंद नहीं हुए.
अच्छा वो ठीक है फिर.
तो हाँ, so अगर थप्पड़ भी पड़ने हैं तो समझ लो, सोच लो कि सोच समझ के करना. कि if you're ready for the थप्पड़ only, then do the
Take the responsibility.
Take the responsibility of whatever you're doing. Nobody else can take that responsibility for you. So whether it was starting to work or getting married or anything, all of those decisions, they were mine. Yes, my mother sat down with me and discussed it with me and said, baby, are you sure? You need to be absolutely sure. Have you thought it through? Is it correct for you? Is it right for you? You think it through, give yourself time. And I did. And whatever decisions I have made, touch wood, she always supported. She never put me down in that respect. Like, I have a lot to thank my mother for, really, really. She taught me how to be a better parent. She taught me how to be a better person. And she taught me how to just navigate in a world which is going to try and tell you who to be. And I hope and pray, I really pray to God that I have managed to do that with my kids as well. I really hope and pray. They've proven it to me kind of, but लेकिन अभी भी थोड़े से छोटे हैं, तो कच्चे नींबू है अभी तक भी. तो अभी थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा उनको पकने के लिए.
That's nice one. My mother always said me after losing my father, I remember her words were, never think that if you ever become a homemaker, because my constant struggle with her was, her thing was, I was very young when he passed away, that I want to get you off married, and my thing was I want to work. So it was a constant battle. So it's like, one of the only reasons one fine day she said to me, I somehow don't want you to be in the homemaker space somewhere else. I feel it's a very underpaid job. Nobody gives you the credit of raising a family.
Absolutely.
Nobody ever honors and cherishes you, how many hours you put in, because every day you have to show up.
Yeah.
And when you're ready emotionally, then come for it. Till then, okay, I'll support you, just go and live your dreams. And I don't think, us time pe samjha nahi, because I thought, okay, getting off married would be easier. But 15 years later, I don't think I would have done any other way.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I've had a lot of interviewers sit opposite me and tell me, आपने काम छोड़ दिया. I said, मैंने कब काम छोड़ा है? मैंने अलग काम किया है.
Exactly.
काम अलग हुआ है, लेकिन
Nature
काम
is
छोड़ी, काम कहीं नहीं छूटा है. अब वो काम तो रोज चलता है मेरा. I have been a mother for 22 years now. It's a daily job that I take.
24/7 job?
Yeah, and it's a job that I take very, very, very seriously. And forget about a mother. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a homemaker. And yeah, you do make the home.
Yes.
It is something that you create out of your own, every small part of you creates that home, and you work very hard at it. So yes, my work never stops. अगर आपने 5 साल का break ले लिया काम से, I said, do you realize that when I come on set, I'm having fun? It's my playtime.
Yeah. And it's such a
Set पे आना
privilege to
मेरे
have
लिए
the choice.
playtime है.
I would say it's a privilege to make that choice. You have
Yes.
created that privilege for yourself, that whenever you want to be in front of camera, you can be.
Absolutely, absolutely. And it's something that, God willing, touch wood, I will keep doing time and again till however long we're all having fun here together.
As long as I'm having the film.
माँ की कसम.
You're my mother's favorite actress, so that goes without saying. I have heard it 120 times, so yes, by the end of it. For me, for Ma was, after watching the trailer, of course, parents will go to any length for their kids, especially mothers. I think it's, as I say, it's you're part of their literally
DNA.
blood
Yeah.
and blood and flesh. I
Yeah.
mean, nothing better can describe that. But one thing also which stands out is battling the inner demons, the demons which are also around us. This is,
Absolutely.
and demons can be so many. We often see the ones which we can feel and touch, maybe the societal ones. But then there are
Other
otherwise
demons
also
around
demons
you.
also. How do
Yes.
you
Battle those demons. I think the
demons?
biggest demon that you're fighting 90% of the time is yourself. Really, yeah, you are, because it's your own thoughts, it's your own overthinking sometimes, it's anxiety sometimes, it's the way you're looking at a situation sometimes, it's your perspective. So there are so many things, and it's your own insecurities. Is ये सही है, ये गलत है, मैंने ये सही किया, नहीं किया, am I enough?
That is very, very big.
I mean, it tires you out to even talk about, so many things. And at the end of the day, like the title says, it is your demons. It is the demon against your faith.
Yes.
The faith in माँ and the faith in yourself. तो खुद पर भी भरोसा करना पड़ता है और उस माँ पे भी भरोसा करना पड़ता है कि आप कहीं ना कहीं वो शक्ति अंदर से निकालोगे ही जिस सिचुएशन के लिए आपको डील करना है. To deal with that situation, whether that demon is yourself or an outside situation that you're pit against.
Did you ever lose faith in God? Ever? Was there ever a stage? I lost. So I think I'll ask you.
Ooh, huge. I did. And I won't name the situation right now,
That's okay.
but I did. And it was not a happy time. It was momentary, really. It was really momentary. But it was, it was quite it was literally one of those points where I was like, why? Why did this have to happen? And not why me, but why did this have
Exactly,
to
it's
happen?
not why.
It's not that why did you choose me for this to happen too? No. It was why did this have to happen? Like, just how could you do this to me? After all my, जैसे कहता ना, मेरी इतनी श्रद्धा के बाद, मेरी इतनी पूजा के बाद, मेरी इतने भरोसे के बाद इस दिन पे क्यों तोड़ा मुझे? So I think, yes, I did go through that for a certain period of time. I would say like maybe a week. And then I kind of rounded myself off and I was like, no. I was like, nahi, kuch to hoga. She must have thought of something. He must have thought of something. She must not have thought of something. She must have been against it. No, but I think that kahin na kahin wajah hogi uski. And I figured out the reason later. But yes, it was 1 week of, it was,
Because it took me almost 1.5 years, I remember, after my father. And I was this bacha who used to do puja with my father at 6 a.m. in the morning. And when it happened out of the blue, I just couldn't turn myself to go up to a temple or to do the puja because he taught me how to. And my mother for 1 year didn't say anything. After 1.5 years, one fine day, she also sat me down. She was like, you are fighting what? A murti, a prayer, your belief.
किससे लड़ाई कर रहे हो? खुद से लड़ाई कर रहे हो?
So either accept it, he's not coming back, and then restart again. And I think my restart was a far better journey of loving myself and maybe the forces above.
God is above you.
And I'll always say this, that I think he's watching over me, so we are sorted.
Absolutely.
This is a sorted scene out there.
It's like my mom and me have had these conversations about death and whatever. But I think the one thing that even she told me when my father passed away was that, he was not, it was not his, he's gone to a place to take care of you better.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So he probably felt right now that he could not take care of you anymore and he's worried about you. So he just went to a better place to take care of you and to make sure that everything, your kids, everybody is, growing and flourishing like the way they're supposed to. So
I
take
often
heart
say if
from that.
something doesn't work out, I always have this one last emotion. Maybe he thinks I'm not ready and maybe it's not my situation. And I trust
Absolutely.
you not. people have laughed when I said this to them, but I so believe it in my bones. If it's not happening, he knows that it's not good for
Exactly.
me at the moment. So
Exactly,
it's
it's
not
not the right thing for you. Or I totally believe that. I really believe that if there have been too many obstacles in front of me, I know for a fact that I'm not meant to go that way.
exactly.
And that's exactly what happened with this actually, with
In-
this
in the-
movie.
Oh,
That's exactly what happened with this film actually, because this film came to me as a concept, and it's one of my most favorite stories of mythology, which is Ma Kali and Raktabij. I don't
oh
know
yes,
whether
of
you've
course
heard.
I have, ma'am.
So I have read that story 100 times over. I have told my kids this story 100 times over, 100 times over, scared the crap out of them, like made them like,
बचपन में वैसे डर लगता था
हाँ,
माँ काली
अगर
को
मैं
देख
माँ
के।
काली और रक्तबीज की कहानी बताऊंगी रात को, तो मतलब डर तो लगेगा ना
Of
आपको।
course.
तो हाँ, तो डराना वहीं से सीखा मैंने।
डर बने रहना चाहिए।
हाँ बिल्कुल, डर तो मतलब बने रहना चाहिए। एंड इट वेंट फ्रॉम कॉन्सेप्ट टू स्क्रिप्ट टू रेकी टू शूट विद इन such a short period of time. And I don't know whether you know this, but making a film takes time.
Easily, I think 200,
At least
150, 200 days.
Not only 200 days, from concept
Yeah,
to shoot takes a good year and a half, because you have to get budgets passed, you have to get, recce's done, dates, the production, everything has to be figured out. It's a circus in the making.
It's a group
Literally.
activity. It's
Yes,
not a singular person.
absolutely. So it is something that it was one of those fastest turnarounds that I have ever seen happen on paper. And I was just a little taken aback by the whole thing, and I was like, there can't be a clearer sign to me that I'm meant to do this. Really.
I think I can say the film chose you.
You can.
On that note, I think we are like
Goosebumps
just on time.
everywhere.
Yeah. This was not the interview I came for. I kid you not. If you will see my interview questions, they were completely different. You gave me something very, very precious. I'll hold close to my heart, because it's very rare to have conversation with people where
It's very rare to have conversations with people. Stop.
yeah, just people I think who can connect.
उधर ही रुक जाओ.
हाँ, बस मुझे लगा कि हाँ अभी आज I'm in some other space, so thank you. This
My
means a
pleasure.
lot.
Likewise.
But I wish someday I get enough time to sit with her and go more fun, because बहुत सारी चीजें बात करने को. But till then, stay tuned and do watch Ma, because I think I have my favorite on screen. So should you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.